Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decorative Dream. I hope you all are doing well. Today I have came with a new, latest and unique Mehndi designs. These all designs are very simple, very easy and are unique. These all designs are very easy to apply on any hand. Nowadays everyone like to apply mehndi on their own hands. Nowadays mehndi is going on a trending, especially for girls like mehndi too much. Oh, this design is very simple, just making flowers, and this design is also very easy and are easy to apply. Okay friends, I hope you are enjoying my video. If you like my video, then subscribe my YouTube channel, like, share and comment. Thank you so much.